Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Let's get started and I'll show you how I did this cute look step by step. Today I decided to use some oil instead of hair cream. I gently spread it all over her hair to make it nice and smooth for the braids to stick together quite nicely. After that, with a sectioning brush, I started sectioning her hair step by step to make the braids super cute and look smooth. Using a rubber band, I then separated the rest of the hair so that it doesn't get in the way of the braid. I then take a little section and split that in three by creating a small flap. Notice how the oil is creating such a cute look. It's just super smooth and it gives that shine as well, and it's just so pretty. While you're braiding them in, you want to just keep them really strong with your hands. So make sure you're holding the block really strong